The Guarany 20-litre backpack sprayer is one of the best built sprayers on the market. But when it's combined with its incredible range of accessories, it truly becomes a world-beating spraying system. Now, we've got all of the normal range of accessories you'd expect, so multi-nozzle booms and lance extensions and flow control systems and all of that. But Guarany have gone one step further in developing the accessories for their sprayers, and they have a truly world-beating range of widgets that you can attach to the humble backpack sprayer to increase its versatility. So just some examples here. The dosing valve. This dosing valve replaces the trigger, normal trigger system of the sprayer, and now it will deliver a precise dose of liquid with each press of the trigger. So there's no room for human error in dosing. We have articulated booms. So this is one of the Guarany articulated booms. You can see the nozzles can be set in a number of different configurations. So you could spray outwards walking between a row of crops, or you could spray inwards like so to spray on both sides of a row of crops, or you can configure it to spray downwards, so you get a kind of fan pattern that you'd be spraying on the ground. So lots and lots of versatility for a variety of different spraying jobs. We have soil injectors. So this is a soil injection system attached to the backpack sprayer. It has a spike here that spikes into the ground, a foot lever to press it into the ground, and then this can be adjusted in terms of height to see how far it goes into the ground. And once it's stabbed into the ground, you can then use the backpack sprayer to inject liquid under the ground into the root system of a tree or a shrub or a plant. We have stem injector systems as well. So here we see a dosing valve fitted with a stem injector needle. The needle has a couple of little holes on the side of it, and it like a syringe, and it kind of stabs into the stem of a plant, and then you can use the backpack sprayer to deliver a liquid straight into the stem system of a plant. In this case, with the dosing valve, you can deliver a precise dose into the stem system of a plant. So very, very useful for certain applications. So the addition of all of these accessories transforms the humble backpack sprayer into a truly versatile spraying tool. These accessories and Guarany's other innovative products have been developed over many, many years of business. Guarany have been in business for nearly 100 years. All of their innovations are customer driven, so they really listen to what the growers and commercial growers actually want, and so they develop products to meet their agrochemical application needs, hence all of these interesting products. Now, if you want to find out more about how you can expand the usefulness of a backpack sprayer or compression sprayer, then give us a call, and we can talk you through all of the various accessories. Many of them can be fitted to other brands of sprayer as well, so you don't necessarily need to have the Guarany sprayer system, but obviously we'd love you to buy one because it's an absolutely cracking sprayer. We're also looking for good stocking resellers and distributors to help us get these products to market. So if you're in the agro machinery business or the garden machinery business, and you're looking for some new innovative products that will attract new customers in, then again, give us a call. We've got a great reseller scheme, and we're looking for your help in getting these fantastic new interesting products to market.